Next topic we're looking at on the A-level syllabus is solving simultaneous equations. I'm just going to look at linear simultaneous equations in this video in two different methods, and then the next video we'll look at a set of simultaneous equations where one is a quadratic. So if we have one equation where 3x plus 2y is equal to 3, and another where the same x and y are related in a way such that minus 2x plus y is equal to 5. There's two ways we can solve this. One is using something called elimination, and the other is with a substitution. So we're going to look at the elimination method. We've got equation 1 and equation 2. An elimination is where we add or subtract the equations from each other in a way that eliminates one of the variables, hence the name. So if we can multiply through equation 2 by 2 to gain another relationship between the equations. This gives us minus 4x plus 2y is equal to 10, and we do this because then we have the same y coefficient in equation 2 as we do in equation 1. So now we're going to do equation 1 minus our new equation 2, so that's this one, and subtracting minus 4 from 3x gives us 7x, and subtracting 10 from 3 gives us minus 7, and of course the y's cancel each other out, that's what we were intending to do, and this leads to x is equal to minus 1. Now we can substitute into this equation here, or any of them any of the equations. Let's say equation 1, so now we know that 3 times minus 1 plus 2y is equal to 3, so that means that 2y is equal to 6, which means that y is equal to 3. That's our solution. So our solution is x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 3. You can try another method. This one's called substitution. Basically we want to write y or x in terms of the other variable and then substitute that into the other equation. So in this case, equation 2 tells us that y is equal to 2x plus 5. So now we can substitute that into equation 1. We get 3x plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 3. Now collecting the like terms here, we get a 3x plus 4x, so that's 7x plus 10 is equal to 3. This leads to 7x is equal to minus 7, and that gives us that x is equal to minus 1, but y is equal to 2x plus 5, so that's 2 times minus 1 plus 5, that's equal to 3. Okay, so we get the same solutions. You can see these methods are very similar, and that's because essentially when we do elimination, when we're cancelling out these, or the y or the x terms, we're doing a substitution in essence. We're putting one equation into another, but we've just done it in a slightly different way, whereas the substitution is a bit more direct and perhaps intuitive to say, alright, we want to get rid of y, so what's y in terms of x, substitute that in, and then when we have x, we also have a formula for y in terms of x, so it makes it a little bit quicker to find y once we've got x. But these two methods are very similar. Sometimes one is easier than the other, depends on the equations, but they'll both get you the correct answer every time, so either one is perfect. If you did find this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions about simultaneous equations or anything else really, be sure to let me know in the comments, and I hope to see you in the next one.